How's that, Tina?
No, Timmy, we won the hiccup. Try this. Yes, we have created the worst case of hiccups in history.
This is gonna make a great prank. Mom, it tickles. What was that? Oh, yeah. That's it. Oh, no.
SpongeBob, hurry up with that order. Mr. Krabs, SpongeBob is up to more nonsense again.
Two whole days without nonsense. For a good run, Mr. Squidward. But we both know it couldn't last. SpongeBob, what shenanigans are you up to now?
I think I'm coming down with something, Mr. Krabs.
You just got a case of the hiccups, son.
Are they dangerous?
No, of course not. And I have a foolproof hiccup cure. Using an old Navy trick.
Old Navy trick. Okay, go for it.
Boo.
I'm cured!
This might be a tougher case than I thought. Why don't you go home and sleep it off?
But I don't want to go.
Sorry, boyo.
Oh, stupid hiccups. Hey, they're gone.
Oh, hiccups. Hiccups are nothing to an old Navy man like me.
Hello, Eugene. How's my little Krabby Wabby?
Doing fine now that you're here, Puffykins.
Oh, my. Are you all right?
SpongeBob giving me a case of hiccups.
Oh, Eugene, hiccups aren't contagious.
Me hiccups! They're gone! Oh, your kisses are magical, Puff.
Oh, you. Dear me. I have to powder my gills. I've got to get rid of these rotten hiccups before I pop.
Oh, hi, Mrs. Puff.
Oh, hello.
Ow, my pom-poms.
Oh, Pearl, I'm so sorry. Oh, my hiccups. They've stopped.
Go. Team! Team! No, I can't cheer like this. Bye, bye, this boom, bye. Go, Brown!
ruined my precious comic book!
You call him Hiccup? Back in my day, Hiccups could turn a fella inside out. That's what I call a hiccup.
You won't believe this, folks, but there are reports of a contagious hiccup plague spreading throughout Bikini Bottom. The hiccup plague is real. Save yourselves! So what do you think, folks? Is it real?
Contagious hiccups? What a bunch of idiots. Oh, watch it, you clod! My hiccups! They're gone! Now you have them!
Oh, no! You gotta help me, Squidward! I've caught the hiccups!
You can't catch the hiccups, you nitwit! What? Ignoramus.
Squidward has the hiccups! Run for your lives!
Must get rid of these hiccups.
I'll take them, Squidward.
SpongeBob.
Bring it in.
It's not working.
You have to hug me back.
Oh.
You have to mean it. There you go. Come to me, little hiccups.
Thank you, SpongeBob.
I need no thanks. It's enough to know my sacrifice will be remembered forever.
I'm free! Oh, yeah!
Goodbye, Squidward. Goodbye, Bikini Bottom. I'll take these hiccups where they won't harm anyone again.
I've got you, SpongeBob.
Stay away, Sandy, or you'll catch these horrible hiccups.
Don't worry. In my new hazmat suit, I'm safer than a bowling ball in a pillow factory. Besides, I'm here to cure you of those dirt hiccups. But first, I best put you in quarantine.
Oh, hey, guys.
Woo-wee! That is one industrial strength hiccup. But don't you worry none. Get it out.
Step aside. This old Navy man will take care of it. Boo.
Try drinking water upside down.
Try a chair.
Put a pickle under your tongue.
Try eating some snail toe.
Okay. Hip, hip.
Squidward,
Huh? I got nothing.
we'll have to treat it scientifically. With Hiccup!